Running out of ice right when you need it most can ruin the moment in a hurry. Whether you're hosting guests, relaxing at home, or heading out on a trip, having a reliable ice maker can change your moment. The latest ice maker machines deliver fast production, compact designs, and hassle-free operation without bulky setups. These modern units are efficient, portable, and built for everyday convenience. Today, we break down the top 5 best ice maker machines that offer speed, performance, and value. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Newbulig Ice Maker. The Newbulig countertop ice maker is the best budget-friendly option for those seeking fast ice production, portability, and simple everyday use. It delivers reliable performance in a compact design, making it a smart choice for your kitchen, office, or even outdoor adventures. Whether you're hosting friends, making iced coffee, or just need quick cooling, you'll get 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With a powerful compressor and a 1.5-liter water tank, it can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day, so you're always prepared for any situation. And with a quiet operation under 40 dB, it keeps your space calm and comfortable while running. Its compact size and sturdy handle make it easy to move wherever you need it. You can place it on your countertop, take it to your patio, or even bring it along for camping or RV trips. The smooth bullet ice cubes don't stick together and are safe to handle, making them perfect for drinks or even chewing. You also get flexibility with 2 ice sizes. Smaller cubes are great for keeping food or drinks cool longer, while larger cubes chill beverages quickly for instant refreshment. Using it is simple and stress-free. Smart indicator lights notify you when the ice basket is full or when it's time to add water, so you're always in control. The one-touch self-cleaning function refreshes the machine in just 15 minutes, giving you clean ice with minimal effort. If you want an affordable, portable, and easy-to-use ice maker that still delivers solid performance, the Newbulig is a great pick for you. The 4th place on our list is the Sylon SLIM21. The Sylon Ice Maker countertop is one of the best portable ice machines for space-efficient design. If you want fast performance, compact design, and everyday convenience without overcomplicating things, you can buy this. It strikes the perfect balance between efficiency and ease of use, making it a practical choice for your kitchen, office, or even outdoor trips. Whether you're making iced drinks, hosting guests, or just cooling down on a hot day, you'll get fresh bullet-shaped ice in as little as 6 minutes. With a powerful compressor, it produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, so you'll always have enough on hand. The 1.2-liter water tank and 1.3-pound storage capacity keep things running smoothly without constant refilling. Its compact size means it fits easily on your countertop, desk, or kitchen island without taking up too much space. And thanks to the sturdy carry handle and lightweight build, you can move it effortlessly from room to room or even take it with you for camping, RV trips, or parties. Using it feels simple and intuitive. Just add water, turn it on, and choose your preferred ice size. The smart indicator lights keep you informed when the basket is full or when it's time to refill, so you never have to guess what's happening. Cleaning is just as easy. With the built-in self-cleaning function, you can refresh the machine in about 30 minutes with a simple button press, ensuring your ice stays clean and fresh every time. If you want a compact, reliable, and portable ice maker that delivers fast results wherever you need it, the Sylon is a smart and dependable choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Frigidaire EFIC117-SS. The Frigidaire Portable Compact Ice Maker is one of the best ice maker machines, with simplicity and reliability. If you want a stylish, reliable machine that keeps ice ready whenever you need it, this one will be your expected pick. It combines fast performance, user-friendly controls, and a sleek stainless steel design that fits perfectly into any kitchen, bar, office, or dorm setup. You'll never have to wait long for ice again. This machine produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day and delivers 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 7 minutes. Whether you're hosting guests or just enjoying a cold drink, you always have a steady supply ready. Plus, you can choose between 2 ice sizes, giving you flexibility for different drinks and occasions. The design is not just about looks, it is also practical. The transparent window lets you easily check your ice levels, so you always know what's going on inside. With the digital LED control panel, you can adjust settings quickly and effortlessly, making the whole experience smooth and simple. You also get a generous 2.1 quart water tank, which means fewer refills and more continuous ice production. Cleaning is just as easy thanks to the built-in drain plug, allowing you to empty and maintain the machine without any hassle. Convenience continues with the included ice scoop and a basket that holds up to 1.5 pounds of ice at a time, so you're always prepared for everyday use or small gatherings. If you want a compact, efficient, and modern ice maker that delivers consistent performance with a premium feel, the Frigidaire is a fantastic pick for your countertop. The second product on our list is the EUHOMY Ice Maker. The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker is a premium portable ice machine for superior build quality. It will give you fast, reliable ice anytime without taking up much space. Whether you need quick ice production with a compact and travel-friendly design, this machine fits perfectly into your daily routine. You will get your first batch of fresh bullet ice in just 6 minutes, which means no more waiting around when you need cold drinks fast. With a powerful compressor and a 1.2-liter water tank, it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for home use, parties, or even camping trips. Despite its performance, it runs quietly at under 45 dB, so it won't disturb your environment. Portability is one of its biggest advantages. The lightweight build, compact size, and sturdy handle make it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether it's your kitchen, RV, dorm, or outdoor setup, the bullet-shaped ice cubes are smooth, rounded, and don't stick together, making them perfect for iced coffee, cold drinks, or even snacking. Smart features make your experience even easier. You'll get clear alerts when the ice basket is full or when water needs to be added, so there's no guesswork involved. The one-touch self-cleaning function keeps everything fresh and hygienic, saving you time and effort. You can use this machine very simply. Just add water, press the power button, and you're ready to go. The transparent window lets you monitor ice production, while the energy-efficient design helps keep your electricity usage low. If you want a portable, premium, easy-to-use ice maker that delivers fast performance and convenience, the EUHOMY might be your excellent choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Kismile Z5825NB. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker machine is the best overall choice with user-friendly features. If you want soft, chewable nugget ice at home without the hassle of bulky machines or constant store trips, you should buy it. It combines fast performance, easy maintenance, and a sleek design in a way that makes it feel like one of the most convenient ice makers you can own right now. Whether you're making iced coffee, cocktails, or just chilling your favorite drinks, you get fresh nugget ice in as little as 7 minutes. With the ability to produce up to 35 pounds of ice per day, you'll never run out, even during parties or busy days. The 1.1-liter water tank keeps things running smoothly, so you can enjoy continuous ice without constant refills. What really makes this machine stand out is the chewable nugget ice. It's soft, crunchy, and slow melting, which means your drinks stay flavorful without getting watered down too quickly. If you love that Sonic-style ice, this delivers the same satisfying texture right at home. Cleaning is just as simple as using it. With a quick 5-second press, the self-cleaning cycle runs automatically and refreshes the machine in just 15 minutes. That means less effort for you and consistently clean fresh ice every time. You'll also appreciate how quiet and user-friendly it is. Operating at around 43 dB, it won't disturb your space, and the LED indicators keep you updated on water levels and ice status without any guesswork. If you want a compact, stylish, and user-friendly ice maker that delivers fast results, the Kismile is an easy recommendation for you. That's all for our list of the top 5 best ice maker machines on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.